Okay, so let's get nice and close. These are 255 by 50 by R20, 20-inch rim. Brand new, I put them on. Hey, it's Jason. It's a nice fall day going on winter, and winter has me thinking of snow. Snow has me thinking of driving, and then I got a flat a couple weekends ago, and I got a good look at the tires on the 2007 Land Rover Range Rover and said, you know what? It's time to upgrade. And last year, with the hand-cooked 20s, I had 20-inch rims on there. The highway tires wouldn't get up my driveway easily. I ended up taking this guy, the D1, a lot more than I wanted to, because I try to not get in salty situations on the road. So I have upgraded my tires on the 2007 Land Rover Range Rover L322 with Cooper Discoverer AT3 tires. And what I want to do is show them to you up close, and then I'm going to take you on a road drive. I'm not going to go off-road. It's going to be straight highway driving, just to give you an idea of what they sound like. So as you can see here, this is the tire. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Hop in, take a drive, and you can decide if these are for you. Okay, so let's get nice and close. These are 255 by 50 by R20, 20-inch rim. Brand new, I put them on a week ago. You can see here, let me just get down so I can actually show you the tread pattern. It's a very nice, in my opinion, aggressive tread pattern. I love, these remind me of the Revos I used to have. I think Bridgestone Revo ATs. I think they're AT3 as well. What has nice ribs on the side. This is really good when you're going through snow and mud. They have a 60,000 mile lifespan. I'm not sure I believe that. I've put maybe 400 miles on them so far. Again, these are the Cooper Discoverer AT3s on a 2007 Land Rover Range Rover L322 with 20s. Not a lot of options for an aggressive tire. And I'm very pleased with these guys. Stand back, show you what it looks like. You don't notice a big difference, but if you look from the back, coming up on it, you definitely notice that these are not just highway tires. Really nice pattern. So far, I love them. The price was good. And everybody said, Jason, you might have more road noise. You might have a little bit of pooling. Are you sure you want to put AT3s on the 07? And I said, I am. And that's it. They're on. Admittedly, I do not have the same spare tire. I have the hand-cook tire in the back. But, you know, if I have to put that on, I'm not going to be driving far. So let's go ahead and hop in, take it for a road drive. I'll get up to speeds. Top speed would be 70 miles per hour. I'm not going to get out on the interstate. Keep in mind, I've had this on the interstate numerous times. No significant difference. So enough talking. Let's drive, see if you notice any difference in sound. Okay, so let's go ahead and take the 2007 Land Rover Range Rover with the Discoverer AT3s for a drive. I'm not going to do any talking, and this is so you can hear, maybe, I don't think you're going to be able to because they're so quiet, what it's like driving with these tires. Before I get on the road here and get up to speed, I just want to point out, some folks have asked me if I notice the truck a little bit wobbly, I guess, when I take a fast turn because they flex, because they have more side tread. Absolutely not. I don't notice any difference at all driving on asphalt. The difference I notice is off-road, which is what I want to notice, and when it rains. So these are the Cooper Discoverer AT3 on a 2007 Land Rover Range Rover. I'm gonna drive for a minute or so and just let you listen if you can hear anything. Right now I'm going 45. I'm taking that turn at 45. I've accelerated up to 55. And now I'm slowing down to probably 35 miles per hour or so to take this turn. I'm going to take it at 25. No pull with the steering wheel or nothing like that. $70 miles per hour. I'm going to go ahead and turn around and then go back to my house. As I'm doing this, it is 50 degrees outside, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. To give you an idea of the temperature and what that might have on the tires. The Cooper Discoverer AT3s have really nice side tread, and they have a specific material in them that's supposed to prevent the rubber from getting too cold, meaning when it's snowy and icy, you should still have some flex to grip and get you where you're wanting to go. Now, on a 2007 Land Rover Range Rover, the cabin is very solid. I rarely hear bad road noise, so I can't tell you if you're going to have a difference. I'm sure if I put these on my Chevy pickup, I would hear more. But again, this is specifically to show you on a 2007 Land Rover Range Rover. Going 30 right now. It tracks great. The reason why I keep talking about tracking, I've had big tires on a Chevy Silverado full size, and it definitely felt like at 60, 70 miles per hour you would feel this. That's very typical when you see these guys with these Jeeps with giant tires that sound like a jet or something approaching on the highway. They typically are going to have a little bit of that just because of so much blow on the tire. So I'm not sure how beneficial this video will be. But you know, if this is any proof that you're not going to get any difference of a driving experience negative wise and any additional noise, I hope this video shows you. These tires installed cost me around about 1,100 bucks. They were 200 and some odd bucks, I think 270 each, and a small fee to install them, plus tax, plus disposal fees in Maryland. But they're much improved over the Hankook highway tires I had, 20s. And that's important to note, these are 20s on this 07 Land Rover. And the reason why I got new tires, I had a flat on an old one, and I've never put new tires on this. I've just had to replace a tire. And I decided that last winter, getting stuck, it was just more challenging with the snow we had, right? I mean, I would have to fiddle with things a little bit more than I had to, and I felt like do more driving in snow than I needed to do. So I ended up taking my Discovery 1 in the snow, because I could just put it in drive and never had to do anything, because, you know, the tires were not highway tires. So hopefully this year, you know, they're calling for snow, believe it or not, in a couple weeks. So we should be getting snow in December. You might be watching this video after the fact, but if we do, I'll post a video of driving in snow. So appreciate you tuning into the channel. I know I post a lot of content, but I'm trying to cover everything related to these Land Rovers and the general cars that I have. And I really am trying to grow my YouTube channel. There's a benefit for YouTubers like myself. When you get more subscribers, you get a little more flexibility over the videos. So why am I saying that? Click subscribe, help me out. Really appreciate it. Have a great day. Thank you.